Welcome to LY5Elements, where we are dedicated to sharing the wisdom of traditional Chinese metaphysics with the world. Our mission is to teach complex subjects like the four pillars of destiny, also known as Bazi, Qimen, Feng Shui, and more in simple, easy to understand English. Subscribe and share our content to help spread this ancient knowledge. Your support is what drives us forward. We also offer personalized one-on-one consultations to guide you on your metaphysical journey. Feel free to leave a comment or contact us directly for more information. Thank you for being part of our community. Hello everyone, I'm Marin. Welcome to our intermediate course on Bazi analysis. As the course has progressed, some participants have shared that they would like to learn more powerful techniques for making accurate predictions. So today, I will be sharing with you the importance of 5-element balance in the Bazi chart. In fact, there are three traditional methods passed down by ancient scholars for evaluating the quality of a Bazi chart. The first method involves the balance of the 5 elements, the balance of dryness and moisture, and the balance of yin and yang. However, based on my personal experience, I have found that there are more factors to consider. In addition to these three, we should also look at the proportion of auspicious and inauspicious stars among the 10 gods in the Bazi chart. Furthermore, besides the day master, we need to assess the proportion of favorable or unfavorable stars for the other 7 characters. Lastly, the age ranges for the stages of youth, authority, and prestige in one's life luck periods are also crucial. These three factors are also important and serve as key standards for judging the quality of a Bazi chart. We will share this in several lessons. Today, we will focus on the importance of 5 elements balance in Bazi. What negative effects can occur if the 5 elements in the Bazi chart are unbalanced? First, there will be deficiencies in personality traits. Second, the life path and luck will become unfavorable. Third, there may be situations where the 6 relatives are harmed. Here, the 6 relatives refer to grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, brothers and sisters, spouse, children, and relatives. Let's start with a case study to illustrate. This case is an example of a Bazi chart with excellent flow. As you can see, starting from the month pillar, the Zi water generates the Jia wood in the month stem, which in turn generates the Ding fire, the day master. The Ding fire generates the Chen earth in our branch, and the Chen earth generates the You metal in the day branch. The You metal then generates the Zi water in the month pillar. It forms a complete cycle of mutual generation. A person with this kind of Bazi chart tends to have a more well-rounded personality and is less likely to suffer from health issues. As for their luck, such a person often becomes someone who is skilled at handling various situations. They will have benefactors to support them, subordinates willing to follow them, close friends who are ready to help, a harmonious family, and successful children. Overall, their life path tends to be smooth and prosperous. In this case, the person's life tends to be smooth, especially during their youth and middle age, where they are more likely to achieve significant success. This is a good example of a well-balanced and fortunate Bazi chart. However, based on my personal experience in most Bazi charts, the flow of the 5 elements is not smooth. This is because the 5 elements are often imbalanced. Either one element is lacking or there is an excess of a particular element. Both of these situations indicate an imbalance. Now take a look at this Bazi chart. In this chart, there is a complete absence of the metal element. Even if there were a trace of metal hidden in one of the earthly branches, it would help, but there's none. So what problems arise from the lack of metal? It leads to deficiencies in personality. This person has a Ji Earth Day Master. Regardless of whether the chart is strong or weak, Earth generates metal, which means metal represents the eating god or hurting officer in this chart. When both the eating god and hurting officer are missing, it causes issues. The eating god symbolizes blessings, enjoyment, and the ability to relax and have fun. Without it, this person doesn't know how to enjoy life and often feels bored or dull. The hurting officer represents ambition and drive. Without it, this person also lacks motivation. This is a clear example of missing one of the five elements. When the five elements are imbalanced, especially when one is completely absent, it disrupts the smooth flow of the person's life path. If this is a woman's Bazi chart, we can directly predict that she may have difficulty having children. In a woman's Bazi, the eating god represents daughters and the hurting officer represents sons. Without the eating god and hurting officer, it becomes harder for her to get pregnant and have children. For a man, the eating god and hurting officer also hold significant meanings. The eating god is associated with eloquence and verbal expression. Without it, even if he has something on his mind, he may find it hard to express himself clearly. Another point to note is that this person has a Ji Earth Day Master, but lacks the companion. When one of the 10 gods is missing, it also leads to gaps in personality traits. So there are 6 main criteria for evaluating the quality of a Bazi chart. Today, I'm focusing only on application of 5-element balance. Once you understand this, you will see that a Bazi chart can reveal a great deal. This particular case is an example of a chart missing one of the 5 elements. Now, let's look at another Bazi chart. This one appears to be lacking wood on the surface, but wood is actually present in the hidden stems. In the high branch, Ren water and Jia wood are hidden. So wood is hidden within the month branch and the hour branch. Therefore, it cannot truly be considered missing because hidden stems within the earthly branches still play a role. So in this case, none of the 5 elements are actually missing. However, one element, water, is overly dominant. Having a missing element is one form of imbalance, and having too much of a certain element is also considered an imbalance. This is a woman's Bazi chart. In real life, her husband drowned and passed away. Let's take a look at how this is reflected in her chart. The day branch represents her spouse palace, the position of her husband in this chart. The entire structure is filled with elements that consumes her husband. Water controls fire. And there are 4 water elements in the chart. The excess water surrounds and controls the fire, which represents her husband. There is earth in the month branch, month stem, and the Si, fire, in the day branch tries to generate earth. In the year pillar, there are 2 metal elements, and the Si, fire, also controls metal. All of these interactions further consume the fire, the element representing her husband. Ultimately, her husband was overwhelmed, symbolically killed by the destructive forces surrounding him. How did he die? Just look at overwhelming presence of water. It's easy to imagine. He died in water, drowned while swimming. This example shows how an excessive amount of one element can point to personality deficiencies, an unstable or difficult life path, and even harm to close family members, the six relatives. That's why having too much or too little of any one of the five elements is unfavorable. When analyzing a Bazi chart, it's important to take all of these factors into consideration and maintain a balanced perspective. That's all for today's lesson. In our upcoming sessions, we will explore the balance of dryness and moisture, as well as the balance of yin and yang, and discuss the specific roles they play in a Bazi chart. This video is not very well done, but I hope you can grasp the meaning behind it. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe and share to join us on this incredible journey of discovery. Your support fuels our passion to keep creating. Any questions or need personalized guidance? Leave us a comment or get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for being part of the LY5Elements family. If anything is unclear, feel free to drop a comment below. I would love to discuss and explore these topics with you. And for those of you who want to understand your Bazi chart but find the learning process too complicated, you can always message me for a one-on-one consultation. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your support truly motivates me to keep sharing this knowledge. See you in the next lesson.